I'll guide you through how to use Trello. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, go to trello.com. On the homepage, enter your email address, then click Sign Up. After creating your account, click Create a new board. Give your board a title, and set the visibility to either private, team, or public. Once your board is created, click Add a List to organize your tasks. For example, you can name a list like Editing. Then, click Add a Card to create a to-do task item under that list. Give your card a name for the specific task, and click Add Card. Now, click on the card to manage it. Here, you can add a description, click Checklist to create subtasks, and even set a due date to track deadlines. You can also click Members to assign teammates, use labels to color code or categorize tasks, and click Attachment to link your files or progress, giving each attachment a custom title. Finally, in the Activities section, you can communicate directly with your team members. And that's it. Now you're ready to manage tasks efficiently with Trello.